Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's super late, but my Ipsy bag is here. So I debated whether I still wanted to do this video. It's really late. It's I think the 24th of August. So we're almost the end of August. I had another video I was planning on posting for today. I was going to post my swatching video for the new collection of gel colors that I got, but there is quite a few people who do enjoy seeing what's in the Ipsy bag, so I decided I'll post this today and you can watch for the swatching video on Monday. And I did still want to go through what I got in the bag. I actually emailed Ipsy yesterday and was like, you know, where's my bag? Because my tracking information said it was supposed to arrive Friday last week. Well, it's Friday now, so it's a full week late, and the tracking information wasn't updating anymore, so I was starting to think it got lost. Anyways, it's here, so we'll go through what came. I haven't looked in here yet. I just cut the package open. So I already see that there's a couple of things outside of the little bag. I'm just going to pull those out and pull the bag out. So this is the bag. It's sort of a coral color with yellow detail. We've already gotten a bag in this color scheme like this summer, which is a little bit unusual. And this one's sort of a canvas material. I think this is the first one we've gotten that has been like cloth that way. So it says, confidence level, selfie with no filter. So it's all about feeling radiant this month. So I had actually redeemed some points. So with the Ipsy bags, if you're not familiar, Ipsy is a subscription bag. And then when you either recommend a friend or when you rate your items on the app after you receive them, you can rate the items, rate the bag, leave some comments. When you do that, you accumulate some points. So I had enough points that I ordered this Murad Acne Control Cleanser. I actually saw another YouTuber talking about how much she loves these products for acne-prone skin, so I ordered it thinking this is a great travel size. I do have a salicylic acid cleanser that I use day to day, but I thought it's like a foam and it's quite a big bottle, so I thought this would be great for travel. So I'm going to toss that in my sort of basket of travel items. The other thing that came that's not in the bag is this brush. So I think this is by SLMISSGLAM. I've gotten brushes from them before, so I believe this is a highlighting brush just based on this shape and size of it. So there's some glitter through the handle and the bedazzles, and yes, it is by Miss Glam. So it's the SG62. So that's this brush. And then we've got the Black Tea London Classic Serum. So this is an anti-aging serum. I was reading up on this. It's got black tea extract. I was excited to try this. So I'm always excited to try a new serum. I always find like I get my cleansers I like, I get my moisturizers I like, but I do like to play around with the serums a little bit. So I'm excited to give that a whirl. And then, so I've got a blush in here by Pixie, and this is in the color Beach Rose. I'll just open it up and we'll give it a quick swatch. It's quite dark actually, but sometimes I like a darker blush because you don't have to use very much. You just kind of touch it with your brush and dust it on. So there's the color there. We'll just give it a quick swatch. It's really soft. So I actually don't think that's going to go on too dark. In the pan it looks pretty dark, but on the skin I think that's going to be a nice blush. I haven't actually used any Pixie products before. I think in the States you can buy it at Target. We don't have that here, but I did notice recently that the Shoppers Drug Mart just started carrying some Pixie products. So I'm excited to give that a try, see if it's any good. I've heard great things about the line. And then the next thing is the Glow 2 highlighter by Ciate. So I hate when they send them to me like this, because there's nothing to put it in. I don't actually have like a Z palette to put some of these things in. I guess I'm gonna have to pick one up because there's been a few times that I've gotten items like this in an Ipsy bag and I have nothing to put them in, and they just like bounce around my my desk of my makeup area. But anyways, this is a highlighter. It's called Moondust. We'll give it a swatch and see what it's like. So you can see it's sort of a champagne. It looks to be pretty reflective. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. Let's swatch that here. Oh, okay, we're into it. So I'm gonna have to get a Z palette for that to live in, because that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Since we have a highlighting brush right here, even though I already have highlight on, you can't have too much highlighting. We gotta give this a little, oh my gosh. Wow. Girl, that is a highlight. Holy smokes. I like it. It's pretty. Wow. Yeah, it's much more reflective than the one I had on. So much for my subtle highlight. Anyways, I love that. That's amazing. Super cute. So I'll get a Z palette to put that in. The only other products I've tried by them are a liquid liner that I also got, I believe, in an Ipsy bag. I wasn't a huge fan of that, but I haven't, like I say, tried much of their products. So I'm excited about that highlight. That is gorgeous. And the last thing in the bag is by TheBalm, and it's the Foiled Again Foil Eyeshadow. I always love their packaging. It's so stinking cute with their little comic book characters. So it says San Francisco Volume 1. So this is Locked Up, and it's sort of a silvery gray. So I'm going to swatch that on my other hand. Yeah, that's nice. That's a really nice foiled eyeshadow. So I don't wear a lot of silvers in the summer. I find them to be a little too cool on the skin, but I will definitely use that in the winter. I do lean towards like the purples, plums, silvers more in the winter time. This time of year I tend to do more these sort of warm looks, just with the tan. I think it looks more, it just looks more complimentary. So that's it for the Ipsy bag this month. Sorry, it's just a quick video and it's not the try-on style, but as you can see, I'm at work. The bag was late, but I still wanted to put this out for you guys. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.